In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect AirPods to an Android smartphone. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Android smartphone and navigating to Connected Devices. Now tap on Pair New Device within the Connected Devices menu. Here, you'll find the Available Devices section. Ensure your AirPods are close to your Android smartphone and open the charging case. Then, press the white button located at the back of the case. This action will prompt your AirPods to appear under the Available Devices section of your phone's Bluetooth menu. Once they appear, simply tap on them. Finally, confirm the pairing process by tapping on Pair in the pop-up that appears. Voila! You've successfully connected the AirPods to your Android smartphone. For a plethora of tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of these hand-picked videos just for you.